All right, so really quick, we're gonna be setting up this laptop cart. I'm gonna show you how sturdy it is and ultimately if it's a good buy. So the column is surprisingly heavy. I mean, this thing is more heavy duty than I thought it was going to be. Here we got our 4 casters. They have a locking adjustment, of course, so that the table will lock in place and not roll away on you. Here is our track for the casters to attach, and then the table unit itself. Nice. Before I put it together, I actually want to show you on camera the texture to this thing. It's got a really nice surface to it. You can see that it has kind of like a wood grain texture to it. It's not like that flat, glossy coating that they'll put on something. And this surface goes all the way around. Oftentimes these type of things, you get the surface on the top and then the bottom is just like a particle board. This is not like that. I'm actually very happy with this surface. So our adjustable base basically just slides into place here. You can put this whole thing together without any extra tools. All right, we've got our 4 casters attached, so now all that is left is to secure it to the base with the 4 provided bolts. All right, all assembled, basically just 3 steps. And then you get your little table. I'm gonna unlock all these wheels so we can test how well it rolls. It's nice and smooth. We've got some of those workout tiles here. They're like a foam tile, kind of some small ridges between it, but even over this material, it wants to roll nice and smooth. It seems to sit nice and flat too. The adjustable handle is right here on the side. You just push on that and then, wow, okay. It comes way up, almost to the level you could use it as like a presenter's platform. So it's far more adjustable than I thought. It gets nice and tall like this. When it's fully extended, let's see how much wobble there is to it. There's a little bit, but I think most of that has to do with the foam mat that it's on. That means that the wheels are going to push into that and allow it to wobble. It does seem nice and stable. Easy to adjust it to whatever level you want. It's spring loaded. It has a very strong spring, so when you press it, it wants to pop right up. So super handy, super sturdy little laptop stand. And here it is with a 15-inch MacBook to kind of give you an idea on sizing. Great if you need a nice little portable laptop table to do some remote work. For me, it's going to be perfect here in the garage.